Struggling with erectile dysfunction after turning 40? These simple stretches and targeted exercises can truly change everything for you by improving blood flow and strengthening key muscles naturally. Welcome to our series dedicated to helping men over 40 address a common concern, erectile dysfunction. It's more prevalent than you might think, affecting many men in this age group, and simple changes can make a big difference. The good news is that simple pelvic stretches and exercises can significantly improve blood flow to the pelvic region, which is absolutely crucial for achieving and maintaining strong erections naturally without relying on medications. Many men experience this challenge, and you're definitely not alone in it. Comment below if this sounds like you, and let's embark on this transformative journey together right now. Ready for your first fix? We're going to start with 2 foundational stretches that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, even if you're just beginning. First, the pelvic tilt. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Gently flatten your lower back against the floor by tilting your pelvis upwards, engaging your core gently. Hold this position for a few seconds, really feeling the engagement in your core and glutes as it activates those pelvic muscles, then slowly release back to neutral. Repeat this 10 to 15 times for best results. Next, the Kegel hold. This powerful exercise strengthens your pelvic floor muscles effectively. Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream or prevent passing gas to identify those muscles correctly. Gently contract those pelvic floor muscles, holding the squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds while breathing normally, then relax completely. Remember, it's important not to clench your abs, thighs, or glutes during this. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, and do this set 3 times a day consistently. Consistency is absolutely key to building strength and seeing noticeable improvements over time. Building strength starts right here with these basics. Let's move on to 2 more effective exercises that will further enhance your pelvic health, circulation, and overall well-being. First, the bridge pose. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, and arms relaxed by your sides. Lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds at the top, really squeezing your glutes to intensify the pelvic activation, then slowly lower your hips back down with control. Repeat for 10 full repetitions. Next, the seated pelvic floor stretch. Sit comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed in a relaxed position. Gently lean forward from your hips, keeping your back straight to deepen the stretch safely. You should feel a gentle, comforting stretch in your inner thighs and pelvic area as it opens up the region. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply, then slowly return to an upright position. Repeat on both sides if needed. Beyond these exercises, lifestyle choices play a huge role in managing ED, especially for men over 40 navigating daily demands. Staying properly hydrated is absolutely paramount for optimal results. Drinking enough water every day supports overall circulation, nerve function, and vascular health, all of which are vital for strong erectile function. Aim for at least 8 full glasses a day, more if you're active. Stress reduction is another critical factor in this equation. Chronic stress can negatively impact your hormone levels, constrict blood flow, and exacerbate ED symptoms over time. Incorporate simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, short daily meditation sessions, or even just spending quality time in nature to effectively manage and reduce those daily pressures. Where are you watching from today? Drop your city in the comments below so we can connect. We truly love hearing from our growing community of men taking charge of their health. This is just the beginning of your journey. In episode 2, we'll delve deeper into more advanced exercises and practical dietary tips to supercharge your results even further. Don't miss out on the next essential steps in your path to better health and vitality. Make sure to like this video, comment on your progress so far, and subscribe to our channel for updates. Your engagement truly helps us reach and support more men over 40 who can benefit from this vital, life-changing information. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might need it right now. Remember, consistency and genuine dedication are your very best allies on this path. Keep practicing these simple yet incredibly powerful techniques every single day. Rock-hard results are waiting for you with commitment. We're here to support and guide you every single step of the way toward renewed confidence.